you'll notice that the fan does not operate when you first start the engine on the generator. It has to get up to about 130, 135 degrees at the radiator core before the thermo switch activates the slow speed relay to turn the fan on. I'm going to leave it running here because you will see eventually when the built-in surge protector that I have on my bus cycles through the two legs of the power coming out of the generator to make sure everything's correct before it actually turns the power on. It'll go directly to a pretty heavy load because I've actually got the three air conditioners, the three group air conditioners turned on so that when it does actually activate power, the generator will start probably slowing down. I've never been out here when that happens, so this will be new to me too to see how much strain it puts on this generator. Okay, they're it loaded up. Now I've never heard another power tech up close like this to see if that noise that it made is the same on all of them. I'm going to check the radiator hoses to see if it's getting heat. Nothing so far. I'm going to get my laser temp gun and kind of keep track of what the temperatures are. Now I just checked the two legs on the surge protector meter, and it shows one leg has 21 amp draw and the other leg has 24 amp draw. So it's fairly balanced right now. It's almost impossible to get them exactly balanced. Okay, the engine itself at the engine side of the thermostat is at 120 degrees right now. At the top of the thermostat, where the cooler water comes in, it's about 98. Okay, you just saw the low-speed fan came on at the inlet side. It's 136 degrees. They're basically about the same, inlet and outlet right now. And it'll do that. It'll cycle on and off until it gets up to well, I'll be honest with you, I don't know at this point what the temperature is at the high-speed fan. And cycles between high speed, which comes on at approximately 160 degrees, between 145 and about a little under 150 to 160, I guess. The only way I've been able to determine that is by using the laser temperature gun up underneath on the outlet side of the radiator core, on the bottom side where the hot air blows out. And the generator, of course, the load is cycling too as the air conditioners cycle due to the temps that they're set at. But so far it's been maintaining right at around 160. We'll see what it's doing now. I never locked it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this camera up so that we can possibly see it cycle on. But let me check the temperature first. Yeah, I've got 180 at the inlet side of the radiator. And 165 at the outlet side. See if I can get a read on the actual engine temperature. $173. Let's see what the thermostat housing is reading. 161 on the thermostat housing. Let me crank this up a little bit. I'm going to move it over. Sorry about that. Now we're going to crank it up. I'm going to set this down in there a little bit so you can see that fan cycle on and off. There it's cycled on. I'm hoping you're seeing that. Give it a little bit more pitch here. It's on now, and now it's just going off or going to low speed. We'll see which it does. So it's just cycled off completely. There it comes back on. Come back on. You'll notice that the fan right now, even at the temperature at 180 degrees on the inlet side there, that it does not stay on all the time, and the fan itself is very quiet, very, very quiet. The ambient temperature here, right here, is 90 degrees. Of course, it's getting cooler air in there now. But even so, it's been doing an excellent job of cooling it so far. It'll be interesting when it gets up into the hundreds how it handles that. I hope you can hear that when that generator cycles a heavy load. I've got a rattle in there. Of course, this generator is not made for the FC, and we had a clearance problem to deal with. So it's set almost right on the deck. We've raised it to where you can barely get a piece of corrugated cardboard underneath it. It could be actually still touching in places and causing that rattle noise, or it could be something internally in the generator itself. To me, it sounds like it's coming from the back of the generator, not from the Kubota engine. That's about it for the new fan installation. So far, so good. You just have to play it by ear and see what happens down the road.